You just found the 2010 Kia Soul. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This funky, tech-rich Soul delivers the latest safety and infotainment tech, ample cabin space for passengers and cargo, a silky smooth ride, and solid handling. Its inspired sense of style combined with an affordable price tag makes this subcompact crossover SUV completely irresistible. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, satellite radio, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control, traction control. Add a little soul to your life. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.